Hi guys, we're gonna continue working with sales tax today, and today we're gonna go shopping at Mart. So if you look in your Google Classroom, you should have a Mart kind of price list of each item that they sell under different categories. You have home goods, garden center, electronics, and toys and clothing. So if I go back to my shopping list, we're gonna go under Mart number 1. Oh, and don't forget to put your name at the top and then put your advisor after it, like I did there, kind of like a slash and then your advisor. So if I look at my shopping list, number 1 is lamp. So if I go over here, lamp is under home goods. Lamp is $20. So I'm going to go ahead and write $20 here. Number 2 on my list is dishes. So dishes is also under home goods. It's $110 for my dishes. So I'm going to write $110. Next is TV. TV is under electronics. $245. And then camera is also under electronics. Camera is $289. So $289. And then once I get all of my items on my list filled out with the prices, I'm going to add them up to get my subtotal. So my calculator, I'm going to put 20 plus 110 plus 245 plus 289. And when I do that, I think I get 664. So I'm just going to double check that really quick. So I have 20 plus 110 plus 245 plus 289. Yes, I get 664. And now here it tells me I have a 5% sales tax. So I'm going to take 664 times, remember I have to change my percent. I have to change it to a decimal. So 5% is 0.05. Remember, you just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. And then add your 0 there. That should be a 0. Okay, so once I do that, I'm going to multiply them together. So 664 times 0.05. 0.05. I get 33.2. So in money terms, that is 33.20. So $33.20 is what I'm paying for in tax. So then to go ahead and find my total bill is I need to add my subtotal and my tax together. So I'm going to take 664 plus 33.20. And when I do that, I get $697.20. So that is my grand total right there. So what I would like you to do is you have 6 kind of shopping lists on your worksheet. I want you to go ahead and do the rest of your shopping lists and get those figured out how much those would cost. All right, good job, you guys.